A client asked me last week, how do I get people to use my appointment scheduler? She'd begun to use a scheduling platform like Calendly or Schedule Once. She was worried that people would be turned off by being told to use an automated digital calendar system to schedule a phone or Zoom meeting instead of discussing all these details by email or text messaging, figuring out when the best date and time would be for both parties. For example, if you say or write something like, just schedule here, and give the link, that might seem a bit abrupt. The other person might perceive that you don't want to take the time to figure out a good date and time for both of you. I recommended that she make the request by explaining how it will benefit them and giving them 2 ways of finding a time, the traditional way and through her scheduling platform. If you make the request while also briefly stating how using the system will help them in some way, it won't be perceived as curt, and the other party might even be thankful that you actually care about them. Here's an example of that wording you can use. Feel free to call me at, put your phone number. I'm in meetings most of the day, but if you leave a voicemail, I'll return your call by the next business day. Or, if you prefer to save time and avoid phone tag, you can use my phone calendar to set up a time. Give your link. If you have multiple options for scheduling, make sure you tell them which option, like, please use option 2. Thank you. Think about the language you wouldn't mind hearing or reading and use that to help you formulate the verbiage you'll use to invite people to use your appointment scheduler.